Hello guys, today we're going to talk about how to create your first affiliate marketing website. And those who want to create this website and start earning passively through this site, then this video is for you. In fact, it may seem to you that there are some difficulties here, but in reality, making money using your site is the most reliable and stable income online. So I will show you now my earnings that my personal blog brings me, and you can also start creating your blog and your website. And today I will show you how to do that. Of course, what we are going to create today, this is not quite a standard site, but you can create both your blog and your website, as I said, and your possibilities here are endless. I choose to earn money from a blog where I write articles and then put affiliate links to other goods and services, and for this I receive a certain percentage from affiliate companies. And I also promote my own online courses and make money with it. The bad thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to worry about shipping, inventory, and other such things. You just create your website and get an affiliate commission for promoting other people's products and services. And this video tutorial will show you visually and step by step how to create your own affiliate marketing website and then monetize it for profit from the internet. Don't miss every detail of this video. This will help you build your full-fledged affiliate marketing business. The first thing we need to do is to choose a domain name and web hosting. What is actually a domain name? A domain name is a name that is associated with a physical IP address line. For example, when you type in here google.com or bluehost.com, this is a domain name. So each website has its own unique domain name, and you will also need to first choose your own domain name for your future website. For example, when you type in here in Google, as I said, bluehost.com, so we see here this web hosting company, and we can also here choose our domain name. And first of all, we need to go to this domains section because we need to find out which domain name we can choose here. So I will type in here something like affiliate site, I don't know, affiliate site 365.com, and we will see if this domain name is available. When it is available, we can choose this domain name for our website. So as you see here, congratulations, your domain name is available. And when you wish to choose another domain name related to your niche, to the name of your website, you can just scroll down and see other great domains. As you see here, affiliate site .net, .org, .tech, .website. There are different domain extensions. So, but I would recommend choosing .com because when you have some online business, it's better to choose such a domain name. So if you want to choose the reliable web hosting and the good domain name, you can just go to my blog and just scroll down a little bit to this page. When you see here step 2, choosing domain name and the best web hosting, and you can just click this Bluehost link to get a good 68% discount for a limited time and to choose this web hosting for a very good price, as you see here. So just use this great opportunity to start creating your website on this amazing web hosting, Bluehost. So we can just click this link to be redirected to the web hosting company. And so now we can choose here your WordPress web hosting. When we scroll down a little bit, we have here different options. So basic, ideal for a blog or a small site, plus great for small businesses, choice, plus, pro. And I would recommend selecting this option because we need to create the only one website for the start, and we can just click here on select. When you haven't chosen your domain name, you can just type in here, for example, affiliate site 365 5, and then we can choose here .com. Okay, we can choose here .com, and then we click next, and so we go to the next page when we can make some settings. As you see here, this domain name is available, and when the domain name is not available, try to choose another domain name related to your niche. For example, affiliate. Okay, I made a small mistake here. Affiliate st365.com, but you can just make it affiliate site 365.com. So you know how to do that. It's not the great deal here, but so the main thing, you need to know how it works, because it's very important here. And so you can just type in here your first name, last name, your business name. It's optional here, so you don't need to enter it here. And you can just choose here your country, street address, city postal code, your telephone number. So try to fill in all details correctly, because when you make a mistake, it's not very good. So email address, because email address, try to choose it very, very thoroughly, because your receipt will be sent to this address after you register on this in this web hosting company. And account plan is, you can just choose here this plan, maybe this plan. Hosting price, you need to see how much you can just invest in this web hosting. As you see here, primary domain registration is totally free for you. I'm sure this is for the first year. Let's Encrypt SSL free, because when you have a website without SSL, yes, because HTTP, it's not a very good thing, and you need to have a secured website with HTTPS, and that's why you need to set up SSL. So there are different package extras. You see here, domain privacy protection. Maybe if you want, you can do that, but as you see here, are you sure about deselecting domain privacy or making your content information available to the public online? So if you want, you can just make your content information available to the public. But if you don't want this, you can just pay a small fee to avoid this. So your contact details will be hidden and won't be available to the public, of course. And so you can just I didn't know that. Okay, keep domain and privacy protection. If you have some money, you can just do that. Yes, code guard basic. It's not so important. So premium, it's not so important, because if you have a blog on your website, and I will show you how you can just add blog to your website, you don't need this option. Of course, if you want to have this option, you can do that. If you want to write lots of articles and add them to your website, you can just have this option. But you can also install your SEO Premium for free, and there are free options. You can use them on your website. I will show you how to do this, how to write articles. But if you are not sure, you can just type in here if you have lots of money to invest in this web hosting. But I would recommend do this. Site log security essential. I'm not sure if you need this, because I don't have the site log on my websites. I don't use this option, single domain SSL. No. Okay, you have this total amount, and you need, but you can just do this one. As you see here, total 34 euro. Of course, you can have the price in dollars, and here you can just enter your payment information, your credit card number, your signature, your expiration date, and then you can just type here that you have already read auto renewal terms of services, and cancellation policy. So if you have some time, you can just take a closer look at these terms and conditions, etc., privacy notice. But if you agree, you can just tick it here and then click submit, and then you will have your own web hosting, which is very reliable. I just trust this Bluehost company because it's a very well structured company. You have a very good admin panel inside, and you can just try to use this web hosting for your website. So I want to repeat again. Bluehost is really easy to use. Ease of use is a quite important feature to have because this web hosting can already be confusing to some of you. So there is no need for the onboarding process to be difficult too. If you want this particular web hosting, then you're really on the right track. So you can use my link on my blog to get a very good discount, as I said. And we go to the next section, how to install WordPress to start creating our affiliate marketing website. If you want to install WordPress manually, then it may take you enough time. The best thing, of course, is to do everything automatically. And one-click WordPress installation will help you with this if you have chosen a Bluehost web hosting. This way, if you have never installed WordPress yourself, then this will be a great solution for you. Everything is done quickly and without any special knowledge. So let's look at this process and how it's done. So you can just go to Google and type in Bluehost one-click install WordPress. And then we scroll down, we see this link, we click on this link and we'll be redirected to this page. As you see here, Bluehost has its own knowledge base where you can just find all answers to your questions and on how to install WordPress, how to manage web hosting, how to set up the website, and many other answers to your questions. So we have here the instruction on how to install WordPress, so it's the installation guide. And as you see here, you need first to go to your admin panel. For example, you click on my sites here from the site navigation menu to the left and click the create site button, as you see here, button number 2. And so you start then with your WordPress installation. And so you have here a new window and you need to click the start button under the WordPress option. Of course, you can just take your time and read carefully this instruction because I don't want to talk more about it because you can do that yourself. It's very easy, and this is a very detailed instruction, so we don't need to spend so much time on learning how to install WordPress. It will be your home task as you want to do that, because it's very important that you understand all the processes and on how to install WordPress, how to build your website. Of course, I will show you further how to build your website. We will install some plugins, so we will add some plugins. And of course, you need to do that yourself. So just take your time and learn how to install WordPress. It's very easy, just believe me. And if you have some questions on how to install WordPress, you can just click on chat support on Bluehost, and you can also refer to their knowledge base articles to find some common answers, not common of course, some important answers to common questions. So it will guide you through various setup, configuration, and troubleshooting steps. So the next step is, so when you already have WordPress installed, the next step is to choose the right theme for working with WordPress. And during my long journey in online business, I worked with different WordPress themes and realized that the theme called Flatsum is best suited for any business. This theme is very popular and it has a lot of different templates that you can connect almost immediately and build a website pretty quickly from scratch. But first of all, I will show you how our site will look like. So as you see here, we are going to build such a website where we promote this crazy offer. This is an Amazon offer, so you need to register in the Amazon affiliate program, and I will show you later how to do that. And first of all, let's take a closer look at this website. As you see here, I have already built this website, and I have already added some information about this Arctis Nova Pro headset. You see here, I tried to build it nicely, and we are going to learn how to do that too. But first of all, we need to choose the best template, best theme for a WordPress website. And as you see, I have already typed in here theme Forest Flatsum. It's a very popular theme, and it's very flexible, so you can just start building your online store, start building your affiliate website, and uh, you can make your site attractive for your customers. As you see here, the theme is 59 dollars, and all links can be found in the description under this video. So if you want to use this theme, I recommend use the last version of the theme, so you can just scroll down and see how it looks like. But in any case, I will show you how we are going to build our website using this theme. As you see here, there are lots of sales, 200,000 sales, and uh, now let's see how you can add this template in WordPress, and then consider which themes it has inside, which sections we can find there, and how you can already add sections to it. So we are now inside our WordPress panel, admin panel, and we go to appearance, and then we go to themes to see which themes we have here. As you see here, I have already activated this Flathumb theme, and we can use it. Of course, in our building our website. If you want to add a new theme, you can just add a new theme. And when you buy this theme, you will have a zip file. You can just download this zip file and then add this file in your WordPress. So just don't forget, you need to go to appearance and then to themes, and then try to install this theme here. You can just customize this theme, but I will show you how we can build our section, of course. But before we do that, I promised you to show you how to try to register in the Amazon affiliate program. So as you see here, I've just try to type here Amazon affiliate program, and we see here the first link. So we will click on this link, and we will be redirected to Amazon Associates. This is an Amazon affiliate program, and I have many other videos on my YouTube channel about Amazon, how to choose some products, how to start your business with Amazon. So you can just watch my videos. But it's very easy to sign up, so you can just click here on sign up, and then you just follow instructions as you see on the screen to start making money as an affiliate. Yes, and when you just sign up with this affiliate program, Amazon affiliate program, you can just choose some products that you see on the screen, and but of course I will recommend you to choose the only one product. So build your content around this product, or you can just choose similar products, headsets, TV sets, vacuum cleaners, for example. You can just build your website just promoting such electronic products, let's see. And let's click on this buy now this wireless headset button first of all, and we will see which product we are going to sell on the market. So from our website, as you see here, headset is a very popular product, and when you just type in Steel Series Actris Nova Pro, you will have lots of different reviews from different customers. You can find lots of different websites promoting this product, but again, you can also make money using your own affiliate marketing website just by selling this headset. And I will recommend, just first of all, just build your website around the only one product, just to learn how it works, to see how many customers you can gain, how much money you can earn. And we just scroll down, and before starting selling this product, you need to have so much information about the product to tell your customers about it on your blog, because we are going to build our blog as well. So as you see here, you have some information about this item, but you can also go to other blogs online, of course, and I will show you how to do that, and read some information about this amazing headset, SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wireless gaming headset. There are so many gamers in the world, and they want to have some latest products that are on the market right now, and you can just start selling those products as well. Okay, as you see here, we're going to find some blogs that are writing about SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro headsets, and we can just go here, soundguys.com. It's a very popular website, and you can just take a closer look at this review to have an idea how to write about this product on your blog. So we have here SteelSeries article, and when we go down, as you see here, what we like, what we don't like, so pros and cons about this product. And you can just scroll down a little bit and take a closer look which elements of the content you can just use in your blog, in your own articles, when you just writing articles about this product. But don't steal this content as it is. Just try to write your own content, and don't copy this content, because it's not a very good idea. This is a very long article, and you can just see how much work it was involved here. Yes, so just try to find such articles about different products. Just see, this is a date when it was written, and it was about 5 days, 7 days ago. So it's very new product. Just try to find some new products on the market, and just try to build such affiliate marketing websites around such products. So as you see here, I tried to show you this new product, and I tried to create such a banner with sale, with some arrows, and I will show you how to create such banners in Canva. Because when you know how Canva works, you can create different awesome images that attract customers, and customers will want to buy your products, and you will start making money on Amazon. Our next step is to install essential WordPress plugins, and WordPress is quite a mobile platform, and you can build very complex sites on it. And of course, additional plugins always complement your work with WordPress, but you need to know which plugins you need more than others, so as not to load the system itself as a whole with unnecessary megabytes. So let's go to our dashboard. And inside this dashboard, just scroll down a little bit to find plugins. So we can see here which plugins are installed, and I will show you if we need this plugin. So Akismet anti-spam, I activated this plugin to avoid spam in my blog. And backup WordPress is a very essential plugin. This plugin is mega useful and very easy to use. This plugin actually saves your site when it starts to crash, and you can set it up to make backups every day, but I would recommend making backups once a week. So let's see how it works. We go to tools. So of course we need to install this plugin first of all, and as you see, just remember backup WordPress. This is how plugin is called. So we need to click add new here, and then we'll be redirected to this window, and we can just type in here backup WordPress to find this plugin. So as you see here, there are different plugins. We have this plugin here installed, but there are also different plugins as well. Updraft Plus WordPress backup plugin, and there are many other here. But I would prefer installing this one, backup WordPress, because it's very to use. It's very to use, and you can just make a backup and then download this backup, and then when you have your site crashed, you can just restore this website using this plugin. So we go to tools right now, because on this website this plugin is already installed, as you have seen, and we need to go to tools. Then we click on backups, and as you see here, we can just go to settings, of course, first of all, and then we see here what will be backed up. As you see here, both database and files, you can just choose files only or database only, but we need to choose both here. Schedule once monthly, once every 2 weeks, once daily. I would recommend once monthly, but of course I also make manual backups, so not each day but once a week, because this is my tradition, let's say, because I want all my websites will be restored quickly when I have some problems with them. And start day of month, you can just choose here 25, for example. Start time maybe 20 hours, 0 minutes. Number of backups to store on this server. So if you have lots of space on your web hosting, you can just type in here 3 or 4 maybe, but I prefer to type in here 1. So, and you can just click on done, and all this will be saved here. And when you want to run a backup, you can just delete here the last backup, the old one, and you can just click on run now. Then this backup will be downloaded to your computer, to your PC, and you will have this file on your computer. And when you have some problems with the website, it can be restored quite quickly. Okay, let's go now to plugins, and let's see which other plugins we have here. So backup WordPress, classic editor, because I like the old style when I edit posts, edit blog posts, and that's why I installed this classic editor backup. It's not necessary to have this one. Contact form, it's not very necessary, because I use this form just as a newsletter. You cannot avoid this form when you don't want to the users of your website, that visitors of your website sign up and start getting your emails. Jetpack, it enables us to connect our blog to a WordPress account, but I will show you only necessary WordPress plugins. WooCommerce is not necessary. It's only when you have an e-commerce website. But of course, if you want to promote headset, yes, from your website as an Amazon affiliate, you don't need this plugin. Okay, what else do we have here? For example, I like another plugin. I don't have this plugin on this website, but we will install it right now. login lockdown. I find this plugin very useful because when you have this plugin on your site will be locked. If you have some hackers, some people who want uh, to enter your website, who want to crack your website, this plugin will help you to save your website, to protect your website from these people. So it limits the number of login attempts from a given IP range with a certain time period. So when you have this website, when you have this plugin installed, you can just set it up so people can just cannot enter your website. So I will show you how it works, and we will see how to use this plugin. So let's go first to plugins. So install plugins, because we need to activate it from this panel. So as you see here, this plugin is already here, and we activate this plugin, and I will show you how it works. Okay. So we have this plugin in settings. So when we go to settings, we have login lockdown. As you see here, number of failed login attempts within the required time period restriction, 3. Maybe we can just type in here 2. Amount of time that determines the rate at which failed login attempts are allowed before lockdown occurs, 5. Lockout length minutes. We can just make it 20 minutes, or maybe 15 minutes, because we need to know, and then we need to know to click update settings. So we need to know our password when we enter this website, when we type in our login, and then type our password. We need to enter this website, and we need to know our password and login. When we have other people who want to dwell into our website and to manage all dashboard functions, or to manage all options here that we have here, we need to use a login lockdown plugin. So I would strongly recommend installing these two plugins first, and then see which other plugins you need to install, because there are so many plugins. I would recommend using Backup WordPress. I would recommend using Login Lockdown. These are two essential plugins we need to have on our website. And why I'm not talking about other WordPress plugins, it just depends on your online business. Of course, maybe you watch this video and then you want to create some of your online businesses that are not quite similar to the one we are considering now. And here you will already need to understand which other plugins will be useful to you. In any case, plugins related to the security of your site are the main ones, and you should understand it. If further we need some plugins, and I will also try to talk about them, and I recommend some of them for this or that online business. For now, let's focus on these two main very useful plugins. And in fact, this way it will be easier for you to slowly absorb the necessary information that is discussed in this video. So the next step is to learn how to load images, how to edit pictures. But first of all, I will show you how it works when we need to upload the picture here on the main section of our website, and we need to go to edit page. So when you have this flat-some theme, there are lots of different options, and there's also an option where you can edit with UX Builder your website, and of course we need to do that right now. So I will show you how it works. So it's very easy. It's very well structured, and you can just see how it works. So we need to go to the banner section, and then we can do it like this, and height is 100%. So we can just make it so it looks better, so it looks in the center. And we need to change media. So when we click here, we have here media library, and we can just use this picture as well. We can use this picture. I have already this picture uploaded, and we can just use this picture. We can just click use this image, and the image will be uploaded to the web builder. And we have this image here. When we click on apply, so we need to click on apply, and then we click on update, and so we have picture uploaded to the website. So when we click here, we have the website and the pictures here. Yes, so it works quite well. And the next step is to find such pictures, and I will show you how it works. So we can go to the website called unsplash.com. So unsplash.com, as you see here, and you can search here for free high resolution photos, and we can just type in here headset, for example. Okay, we need to wait a little bit, and we have here different pictures, so we can use these pictures in our website. So just try to find some good relevant pictures. For example, this one, or we can just scroll down a little bit. As you see here, maybe you like this picture, maybe you like just a moment, please. Okay, you can just choose any picture you wish to have on your website, but we can just download this one, so it's free. And as you see, it was downloaded, so we can just edit this picture, and I will show you how it works right now. So let's go to Canva, and then we can here click upload, and then we can upload this picture from our computer. And once we have uploaded here, we can just click on edit photo, and in the next window we will see how we can edit it in Canva. Canva.com is a very useful website where when you want to edit your photos, maybe some pictures for your websites, for your online business, so just use this incredible website in your each day, so if you want to work with it. So we can just adjust the size image here. So its image is large, so we can just use it as well. And we can use different graphics here when we click on elements. And so these are elements recently used by me, and you can also choose these elements, for example, to edit our picture. So I have chosen here an arrow, so we can use this element as well. What else? Okay, maybe we can add some text here. So we can use some text here, not recently used, but something like this one, for example. So we have a text here, so we can just delete it, and we can just edit some colors, maybe make it a little bit lighter, something like this. No, maybe we can use this one, or maybe we can use this yellow color. Okay, and we can use another font, maybe this one. So we can just use a font size, so make it bigger a little bit, and you can just type in here headset. Then we can use maybe sale, super sale, for example. Yes, so this way you can just edit your banner, and you can just click here on share, and then click here on download, and then just choose the file type. It will be PNG size, so you can just adjust your size, but it's a good size, and you can just download. The file will be downloaded then to your computer, and from computer you can just add this banner as I shown you before to your website. So just try be uh, to be very creative, because I've just shown some arrows, some fonts, some images, some elements that can be added to your banner, of course. Yes, and you can just go to unsplash.com. You can just use another images if you want to, because I don't know which business you want to build, because there are so many different Amazon products, and maybe you don't want to promote the headset products. You want headphones from Amazon. You want to choose, for example, TV sets. That's why just use another arrows, another elements, another picture, for example. Yes, from Unsplash. Maybe you want to, I don't know, you want to promote TV set. TV set. Just type in here TV set. Just select your image and edit it with the help of Canva. As you see here, there are different TV sets, and you can just use your model from Amazon if you want to promote Amazon products, so TV sets, for example. Yes, and you can just create your banner. And then when you are on your website, you can just click here on banner, maybe here on banner, click here on options, and here you can just change media and add this banner, this great banner, to your website. But as I said, just use another fonts, another colors, another text. As here, for example, premium audio, active noise cancellation, infinity power system, dual audio streams. So just be creative. So I also wanted to say that if you don't want to create your websites to promote some products as headphones, as TV sets, as vacuum cleaners that you find on Amazon, you can just create websites for other people, for example, and work as a freelancer. And this is also a great option to make money in online business. There is such a well-known service where you can create such websites to order. It is called fiverr.com. You can just go to fiverr.com and create such beautiful websites as we create the website with you today. If you want to understand how to become a successful freelancer and start making money on creating websites, and I would like to share my vast experience with you, since myself have been making money on freelance websites for a long time. In any case, if you are interested in this topic, then you will find all useful links in the description under this video. And we go further right now. So the next step is to customize your landing page, your website, and we have come to one of the important stages where we'll create a website. And as I told you previously, you don't need to have any special knowledge to create a website. There is a certain web builder, so it is Flotsam Web Builder, where you can create simple and working websites. And we create sites on WordPress by choosing a Flotsam WordPress theme. So let's go right now to edit page. But first of all, we need to go to customize, because when you want to install, not to install, but edit some elements on the maybe header or footer or some other elements, we need to click on customize, what we did. And for example, we have here some different sections that we can customize. For example, we go to header, and we can add here a logo. for example, site title and tagline. I don't have any logo because I have only this section: home, ArcGIS Never Pro, so menu. And you can just adjust logo position, maybe on the left, maybe in the other position, and you can just make a logo width, just to choose it, logo padding, site icons. So you can just remove site icon, change image, and you can go to main menu, maybe mobile, tablet, and you can see how it looks like on mobile. You can just click on desktop. So you can just click on header button here, just adjust the height, select background color here, for example. So there are so many options. You can just use them just by editing your website. When we go back, you can just use some style, select color, but don't use it because it is set up by default. It's only when you want to go deeper into some settings. You can just go to block layout, but it's only for those who want to go deeper, as I said, into customizing the website. Again, when you have this section, block, contact, get it down, it sounds great, etc., you can just edit pages, and we can just click on edit with UX builder. You have already seen how we did it last time, I mean in our previous lessons. And so, for example, you want to edit this button, for example, you can just click here. You can just click here on button. And as you see here, you can just edit this text. For example, buy now this wireless headset. You can just delete it. But again, headset, and you have the text here. If you want to change the button color, you can just click here primary, this blue color, secondary. You have here this green color, alert. You have again this rose color, red color, success, again white. Yes, you can just make it white. It looks nice. As you see here, you can just leave it as it is. Style default, outline maybe, simple, underline, shade. So there are many different styles. You can just bevel, gloss, for example. Yes, but I would prefer it to be default. Size of the button, XX large, maybe smaller, and you can just adjust the size of the button here. So fading down, we don't need it, and we need to go down, icon, and the link on the button. So we have the link to the Amazon product. Yes, this is your affiliate link. It can be open in the same window or in a new window. I have just chosen the same window, and then you can click apply and then update. And so we have now this white button with the text on the button, and we can just go to another section. For example, this section you can just add text, but first of all I will show you how to add sections to your landing page. So you need to click here and then click here on FlatSim Studio. Of course, you can just, if you want to use some other elements on your website, you can just use section, slider, block, title, page header, and so many other elements, for example, button, banner. But I would prefer using FlatSim Studio because they have already some ready to go templates, and you can just use those templates in your business, what it is. Okay, so we have now so many templates here, and we can use these templates in our business. For example, when you want to build an e-commerce landing page, you can just use ready to go templates here, and we can just click on preview. But let's choose a template that looks quite well, maybe this one. preview, and the template will be uploaded, and you can see how it looks like on the page. So when you want to choose this template, for example, the new Zandam collection, Dutch design at its finest. So you can just add this template, and this is all built for you. And of course, you can just use some blocks that we have here, for example, category boxes, for example, this one. So there are 3 rows. When you have some categories, for example, decoration, fashion, interior, and the button here, view more. So we will import right now this section to our website, so you can have an idea. You can have an idea before your eyes how it can look like. Okay, it will be imported right now, and as you have here, there is a section on our website, so you can just click on update, and this section will be added to our website. But we don't want this section to be on our website, so we can just delete this section when you don't want to have this section. As you see here, it was deleted, and the website again has its own look. Okay, when you want to edit some text here, for example, you can just make it bigger, h2, maybe you want to make it smaller, h4, h2. Okay, when you want to edit the text, you can just go to your left, and here you have the text. You can just make it beautiful. Yes. Again, when you want to delete this picture, make it bigger, for example, you see here, I make it bigger. Okay, maybe we can do that 600 pixels, as you see here. So you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can make it on the center, for example, here. But I will make it again 500 pixels. Okay, and you can just scroll down a little bit. We can use this color, maybe size original, large, and then so you don't need any other complex settings. Just make it as it is. So you can just click on apply and then update, and so we can just see how our website looks like with this white button. I don't know, white button, it's better, I think. And as you see here, it's very nice. So as you see, you can add some additional sections to the website, and again, I will show you again how to do that. So if you want, for example, to edit this section, you can do this too. There is a text, there is an image, yes, banner. As you see here, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, but you can just adjust it as you wish. So to your needs, you can change media. We know already how to do that, but again, if you want to add any other blocks, elements to your website, you can go to Flatten Studio, as I told you before, and we can choose any elements from this studio to make our site more beautiful. Yes, because when you have some beautiful sections, when you know how to edit sections, you can just attract as many customers as possible to your website. So we have here some campaigns. For example, if you want to have a holiday sale, for example, you added some other Amazon products to your website, you can just use this section, and you can just edit this section as well. And you can just use other sections, for example, hero, banners, As you see here, for example, this section as well. Shop now, sale, free shipping worldwide, good service. So you need to choose some sections that are suitable for your online business, of course, and there are so many different sections here. So we go back, as you see here, great section. So let's go here a little bit, and you can just adjust the picture here. For example, yes, it can go to the left, it can go to the right, but it looks nice. So as you see here, it's not so difficult to add some sections. It's not so difficult to customize the website, to edit pages, to work with Canva. So it's very easy to build such a website. Okay, let's see how we can edit pages with UX Builder. And because we have already added some pages and you know how to edit some pictures with Canva, you know how to add some images to your landing page, and of course you know how to edit text, and it's very great. You know how to work with images, you know how to adjust some image sizes, you know how to choose some elements from Flatsim Studio. And of course this is not very difficult, because you can just click here, you can just go to Flatsim Studio, uh, you can just uh, select any pages, any elements, any call to action elements, campaigns, category boxes, and you can just edit them to your needs. For example, when you want some testimonials, for example, from your customers that have already bought your products. If you don't want to promote Amazon products, if you want to sell your online products, maybe you want to start your own dropshipping business. That's why you can just add some testimonials to your landing page, and there are some testimonial boxes as you see here. There is a testimonials box, so let's try to add this box so you can see how to edit some images on the site. And there are no photos. I don't know why, because maybe there is a box with photos in the Flatsim Studio package, but when we upload it there are no photos. But it's not a great deal. You can just add photos here. For example, you can just scroll down to see some images, for example, image box. Okay, and we can make it 20% width, and we can then add some photos here. When we select media, we can just upload some photos from our computer. So when we click on select media, we can just select some photos. You can also just add some photos here, and then you can add a text here. For example, we can just try to type in, this is the best product I bought in my life. As you see here, this is the best product I bought in my life. Christian Ayrton from Apple, from Google, from Yahoo. And then you can just click on apply and then click on update, and this section stays forever until you edit it again, stays forever on your landing page. And so you can just make such beautiful sections as you see here. So we go back, so we don't update it. Okay, changes will be lost. That's great. And so we have here, we don't have any section here, testimonials, because I didn't click on apply, I didn't click on update. And as you see here, we can also go to edit with UX Builder. I often repeat some actions because you need to know how it functions. So you need to have to get an experience how to build such websites with with UX Builder. This is a very great web builder, and we can just click here on banner to edit the footer here. For example, we can just adjust it as you see here. Okay, size large, original, large. Okay, color, we don't need it height, we can make it bigger, we can make it smaller as you see. We can click on apply and update. We can just change the color of the button, we can just change text. So just use these sections to build your website. For example, if you want to change, okay, we need to find the banner. Okay, options here. If you want to change, this is not a banner, so we need to find this banner. Just a moment please, because I want you to see how to change this this background, this blue background. So we can just no. Just a moment please, because there are so many sections here, there are so many options, and we need to change this background here. Okay, just a moment please. Maybe you need to go to the row, column background. No, it's not. Okay, it's Black Friday banner. It is called Black Friday banner section. I have found this section, and as you can see, you can just also remove it. For example, you can just change media, you can just make it transparent, you can just make it darker. For example, you can just choose, you can just apply, overlay, hover, non-hover, maybe zoom. So there are so many different options when you want to use Flatsum theme for WordPress. And if you want to download this theme, you can just find the link in the description in this video. And we need to go further. For example, this is also very easy to install this section, frequently asked questions. You add a text here. For example, when you click here, you can just scroll down here, you can just click on text, then add text, and then make it H4, maybe H3, H4, and you can just add text here. Then you need accordion panel. This is an accordion panel. You can just add this panel, and you can just edit the text. For example, when some people have questions, you can just write here some answers, and you can just edit these answers to your landing page. Of course, it's not very necessary to add these sections, frequently asked questions for people, but if you want your website looks great, you can just add these sections. And you can just click on apply and then update, and the website will be updated. Then we have this section footer, and this is quite easy to add this section. I will show you right now with Flatsum Studio. So there is a footer section here. As you see here, there are 6 footers, and you can just add some footers. For example, this one, I will show you this footer in preview. It is footer classic divided, and then you can just edit this footer according to your needs. You can just make it to the center. For example, you can just delete these social media buttons if you don't need them, and you can just delete all this or add some other sections. It's not very difficult as you because if you don't have any experience how to do that, it seems somehow difficult to you. But if you have a good experience, if you know how to edit footer, you can just do that. So it's not very difficult. You can just delete some some texts, and you can just edit the footer according to your needs, and you can just edit this text as well. Okay, again you can see here blog, and because if you want to have a blog, if you want to have articles, it will be easier for you to promote Amazon affiliate products with articles on your blog, because when you have some articles about different products, or maybe about the only one product, about this wireless headset, people will find you in Google, so it will be easier for them to find your website in Google. They type in Google different keywords, and they will find your website. That's why I recommend to add a blog section to your website, and you can just see how these blogs looks like. It's not very difficult to write some articles. As you see, I don't have any articles yet on the blog, and I will show you how to add some articles to the blog, so you can just start blogging. But first of all, you need to know how to add this blog section to your website. So it's very difficult. You need to go to all pages, as you see here on your left in your dashboard on your WordPress website. And then you can click add new. For example, here I can edit this page, so you can see how it looks like. So as you see here, cashflowfinder.com website /blog, as you see here on your screen, and we can now edit posts. So add posts to our blog. So there are different posts, as you see here. Hello world, welcome to Flatsum. Just another post with a gallery. You see here, hello world, welcome to Flatsum, just another post with a gallery. So there are some articles, and you can just start edit those articles, or you can just delete all these articles and start adding your new ones. You see here, welcome to WordPress. This is your first post, edit or delete it, then start writing. We can just type in here, we want to make money with our affiliate marketing website. And then when we can click on update here on our right side, and the post will be updated, and we can just click here on reload. And as you see here, we want to make money with our affiliate marketing website, and we can also add some media. So we can click add media, and we have here media library. We can just upload our files from our computer to add them to our blog. And as you see here, we have some media here. We can just add some media, for example this one, and we can insert it into post. When we click on update, we have this image on our website. So we reload it again, or we can click on continue reading, and as you see here, this image stays on our blog. This is a comment, just an example from Flatsum theme, and you can just start making money. Just try to add as many articles as you want to add, because when you add many articles, people will try to find you in Google. They will click on your links in Google, and they will start visiting your blog and read articles about some products that you have that you want to promote. So Amazon affiliate products, they click on some affiliate links, and they will be redirected to Amazon. They will buy products, and you will get an affiliate commission from Amazon. So this is how it works, and you can also build such a great website yourself, because just take your time. Just for example, you can just invest 2 hours a day, 1 hour a day in learning how to create such a website, how to add articles to your blog, how to promote your website. And this is a very great business when you want to start making money with Amazon. So you know already how to build the affiliate website with only one product, with headphones. And of course, it will be possible to make some kind of website where you talk about various new electronic devices in your blog articles. And of course, I would recommend at the moment to become a more narrow profile website, since usually those who are interested in the topic of headphones trust those sites that write only one topic, let's say headphones in our example. But let's see which other headphones are on Amazon and whether it is worth doing reviews on them. So we can go to Google and type in here Amazon headphones. So we have here different Amazon headphones, but again, so let's click this link and see which headphones can be reviewed by you on your blog, on your website. So you have then an idea how to choose different prices, how to find photos for your headphones. And as you see here, there are different categories, but I would recommend choosing headphones that cost about $300, $400, $200, so you can just make more money with such products. As you see here, noise canceling headphones, as we have already on our website this noise canceling headphones, so you can just take other headphones, for example, and make some reviews, some reviews that will be interesting for your customers. Sometimes some bloggers write reviews about three different headphones. They compare headphones with each other and show some benefits, show some advantages of this or that headphone. And so other users, other customers can see which headphones to choose. As you see here, there are lots of different headphones, so you can just see some prices and for example, highly rated headphones. Okay, let's click this one, Blaupunkt Active. As you can see, the price is not high, but still you can take this headphone and write a very good review. So this headphone is called Blaupunkt Active Noise Cancelling Bluetooth 5.0, and we can go to Google and type in here this name of this headphone, and then add review to see which reviews we have here. So you have then an idea how to write your own articles on your blog. So and see. So we have here Blaupunkt PTV 10 review, Blaupunkt Active Noise Cancelling Kopfhörer. Okay, let's see this one. I think this is a very good review, so it must be a very good review. And as you see here, it's in German. So let's click here to see the review in English. Okay, we accept, and we can see here the review in English. Right now, no, there is no review in English. There are different articles on this headphone. So we go back to Google, and as you see, there are no reviews about this headphone. So you can just start writing a review about this headphone. I don't know why, because maybe I have a German version of Google, and that's why I don't see any reviews from this headphone. But just a moment, please. We will try to find a review about this headphone. So I have found no reviews about these headphones in English. This is very strange. Maybe this headset is not very popular, or maybe it is not delivered to the USA, maybe to Great Britain. That's why there are no reviews. Maybe you can find such reviews in Google. I will be very glad if you can just comment under this video if you have found some reviews. Maybe other subscribers, other people that watch this video will be glad to see the review about this headphone. In any case, we will try to choose another headphone. And so we go back to the Amazon website, and try to type in here headphones, something like this. And so we have here different headphones, but of course we need to choose some headphones that cost about $200. Maybe you see here Technics EA Premium Class True Wireless headphones. So get it Monday, September 5. So let's look at another headphones, maybe Beat Studio Wireless over ear headphones. So let's try to see if we have some reviews about these headphones. So let's go to Google and click here, find some reviews. You see here premium noise over ear headphones Beats. So let's see Beats Studio 3 wireless over ear headphones. Yes, I'm sure this is a very good review here. So the first website after shopping banners in Google, and we have here this headphone. Yes, okay, that's it. So beatsbyadry.com, so is the name of the website. And as you see, you can also build such a website, such a beautiful website, but this is not necessary because people like to write to read reviews about other products. They like to see information, testimonials from other people, and some good pictures, as we have here on our website. This is a very good picture, and of course this is a very good one. So we need to see some reviews and some Amazon links, because I don't see here any Amazon links. If you can see this, it's very great. View all details. It's not, I think it's not an article, but more yes, this is a shop and official shop that sells such beats, so they don't need any articles about these headphones. And so we go further to see if there are some reviews about headphones. For example, this Australian website, because this website has an Australian domain extension, com.au, and so I'm sure we have a very good review about headphones here on the page. So it loads a little bit, and as you see here, this headphone is being sold here. I think this is not an Amazon review. So let's go back to Google, because there are so many websites that want to sell you these headphones. Not only Amazon, Amazon customers can see these headphones on Amazon. There are also categories of people who want to buy these headphones from other websites, and you can also create such a website. Maybe you want to start an online dropshipping business. You can just buy such headphones from the supplier and then supply this to people in the USA, etc. But our task is to create an affiliate marketing website that will make you money. So I think this is a review, because soundguys.com is a very well-known website where you can see some reviews. Okay, we have already found this review, and as you see, there is no competition on headphones. There is no big competition, so you can just start making money just by creating websites in this niche, just by selling headphones, just making reviews about headphones. Yes, as you have seen, there is no competition at all, and you can just see how such articles on this website soundguys.com are written, which other products they have. As you see here, you can just legally steal this information, but just change this information a little bit and then use this information in your articles. So you can just go to this website soundguys.com and scroll down a little bit to see some information about headphones. So you can just start making money by by writing such articles. So if you want to bookmark this information, if you want to know how this information is stored, just go to my blog and go to step 7, Amazon affiliate products. And so I've just described how to do that. So everything we explained today. In any case, try to write long reviews every week on your blog. If you don't have time to write very long reviews, then do one review every 2 weeks. Don't think that a huge number of articles is good. Quality is the main thing. There is no need to be sad that you have only 10 articles on the site in 6 months, for example. It's okay, totally okay. You have done your job with high quality, and now you have seen how much money you have earned and in which direction you need to move on. So if you are interested in the topic of making money on affiliate programs, then I will be happy to share my experience with you, and you can learn how to make money with affiliate marketing each day. All useful links can be found in the description under the video. So we could also talk about how to register with Amazon Associates, and we already talked about it, but you can find this information yourself and more time on other important aspects that we'll still need to consider in this video. And so oftentimes one of the biggest challenges for many aspiring bloggers is writing smart and useful articles, and many don't know how to write posts and where to find writers. For example, you don't want to write articles yourself. You can just hire people, and they will do that for just pennies for you, just quality articles, and you can concentrate on other things, on other important things in your life, in your online business, and those people will write articles for you. So, and we will talk right now how to do that. So let's talk now about how to create blog posts. We have already talked about it, but now we go to dashboard. And of course, when it comes to writing posts, I'm sure some of you already know how to properly write articles for your blog, and at the same time follow the style of writing. Also, you already know that you need to write articles according to SEO rules, and these rules are not as complicated as you think. So you need to go to posts, and there we have all posts, hello world, as we have already seen, and we can add new. And of course, if you want to write good SEO articles, you can just start doing that, but you need a Yoast SEO plugin, and we can go to plugins and find this Yoast SEO plugin. For example, we can search for plugins here, Yoast SEO, and then we have some plugins here. So just install this plugin. This plugin doesn't work with my version of WordPress because it's only an example. So this website, how you can build your website, and I'm not concentrated on building this website. That's why I didn't install many plugins that I have on my other websites. But you need to install only essential plugins. Don't install 50 plugins at all, because you don't know how to manage them. Just use these plugins that we have already talked about, and just use this Yoast SEO plugin. When you install this plugin, it will appear here when you start writing first posts, first articles from your blog. So this plugin will appear here, and this is not very difficult to manage, because you can see on your screen all details how to manage this plugin, how to work with it. And the main thing, you need to see what it says here. So you will have the screen here behind the post, and you will see how many words this post have, how many passive voice, active voices, and you need to add the headline. So you will see how this plugin works on your blog. And I have this plugin on my essential blog, and as I said, this is very easy to manage. So when you install this plugin, you will see all details, how to manage it, etc. And the next step, if you don't want to write articles yourself, you can go to Fiverr.com, for example, that is freelance service, or you can just go to problogger.com/jobs, as you can see here on your screen right now, and you can post a job now. So just write about that you are looking for a blogger who will help you to write articles. I tried to search for a blogger a year ago, and I found two bloggers, and of course I had about 300 requests. So 300 people who wanted to write articles for me for my blog, and I selected only two persons, one from Africa and one from Malaysia. And honestly, I thought they would be working quite badly, but they tried, they did their best, and they tried to write very amazing articles uh, because we try to work out, yes, to work it out a little bit, to see how they can manage this or that subject, this niche. And you can also try problogger.com jobs to find some writers when you want to promote your landing page, just by articles, just writing articles. Yes, and I would recommend writing articles because this is a very effective result when you want your blog will be found through Google by many people. That's why I would recommend starting writing articles. So as you can see here, there are lots of different columns here, and you can just try to find out how this this jobs, yes, job ads that are written, and you can just scroll down to see how it is written, to find out how you can also build your job ad on this website and add it on this website. Of course, you can also try to find bloggers on other freelance services such as Upwork, Fiverr, but you can also use problogger.com jobs. It's up to you. So as for me, at first I wrote some articles myself, and then I realized that it was better for me to hire a smart assistant who would do this work for me, and at the same time he should do that quickly, efficiently, and inexpensively. In any case, for me personally, time is worth more than money. Um, so when I can find someone who will do the work for me, then I always do it. You can also decide whether to write articles yourself, find an expert to do the job. Okay, and there are also some important pages of the website. So we go to the website. So I will show you which pages you can also add to your website. So, for example, when you click on "It sounds great," it will scroll down. Arctis Nova Pro. Yes, this is a very nice function, as you see here. When you click content, there are some people who have questions. They can write to you directly, and when people click on blog, they will see your blog. We already talked about it. So let's go a little bit here to this page, to the bottom of the main page, and you can see here some pages about us: privacy policy, cookie policy, terms and conditions, refund policy. I didn't edit these pages, and you don't need them because until you have reached some high level of profit from your site, then no one is interested in certain information about you and your business. But when you're already starting to earn money, it's important to understand that certain pages must be added to the site. So in fact, it is always best to familiarize yourself with the rules of work before starting a business or participating in various affiliate programs. So just read some rules of some affiliate programs, because if you want, you can just use some Amazon affiliate programs, but you can also try other affiliate programs as well to promote maybe not only physical products but also some services. And for example, web hosting, I also have a blog, and I promote different services there, not only Amazon products. Do you need any other important pages for your site? Of course, they are necessary, and it all depends on your online business itself, as I said. But there are pages that I would strongly recommend that you have on your site. Do you need a privacy policy for your site? Maybe you probably do. If your website collects personal data, you need a privacy policy. Your website will be hosted, of course, and you will use plugins, analytics, tools, etc. Then it does set cookies and collects user data. But in any case, you decide yourself whether you need these pages or not, because you can only need some maybe terms and conditions, contact and refund policy, and that's it. Maybe about us. Yes, you can just add those pages. So now I will show you how to edit those pages, because you need to know how to add them in Flatsome theme. So here we have all pages, and we go here, for example, about us, cookie, policy, checkout. There are different pages, for example, blog page, basic, refund policy. For example, we can just click on refund policy, and we have here refund policy. So I didn't edit this page, and this is something like that, yes. But you can also take a closer look at some refund policy of your landing page, of your website, because this is your online business, and you can just find a person who could create this text, this refund policy exactly for your online business. But don't worry, as I said previously, if you have a small online business, if you have only I don't know, 20 users that visit your website per day, don't worry about refund policy and another pages. You only need to promote your website. Just try to get more traffic to your website before you start upgrading your landing pages, just by adding refund policy pages and other pages as well. Just try to get as much traffic as possible to your website to start making profit. Yes, this is very important, and then you can just add other pages as well to your website. The next step is to set up live chat on your website. This is small circle that you can see here in the on the right of your website, where people can contact you, just sending you some messages. And I want to admit that not all of my sites have live chats, and they're not always needed. As long as you have a very small business and it's only in the very beginning of development, then you can do this without live chat. But at the moment, I'm more and more convinced that people are really lazy by nature, and often they want to ask something, but they're too lazy to send emails. They want to get information quickly, so live chat is often necessary. And therefore, as the sales of your online business grow, you may need live chat. And of course, you can just choose Chris live chatbot, so you can install plugin. And this is a very well-known service where you can see pricing, and this is completely free. If you have one or two websites, as you see here, this is completely free. As your business grow, you can just add other pro unlimited versions and just start paying money to this service. As you can see, this is how it will look like on your website, so people can just start messaging you, and you will see in your email box that people start messaging you. You can just answer there, or you can answer in the dashboard of your live chat. You can just get started, just sign up with this live chat, and you can need this plugin to be installed. And then the setup is very easy. You can just start having live chat on your website. But as I said, you don't need this live chat yet, as your business is small, because you don't have so many people that are interested in sending your messages, asking you about some products that you have on your website, some articles that you have written, and that's why you don't need this live chat yet. Of course, you can also try this tdo.com because it's also a very good one. I have some live bots, live chats on my websites from TDO, from Crisp Chat, but as for me, Crisp Chat is better. I don't know why, but I'm just I'm just using it and it's better for me. If you are not sure which live chat to choose, you can also go to Google, type in live chat and see how many live chats are there in Google. For example, you can also read some reviews, for example, 14 best live chat software and apps for this year, and you can see which live chat is better for you. So decide for yourself if you need live chat or not, but I'd say that you need to be serious about doing serious business from the very beginning. No need to think that you will play online business and then abandon it. Initially set yourself up for the fact that you will succeed and confidently try to reach your initial goal to make money from your site. So we also need to find some Amazon affiliate program alternatives. And of course, you can build a site in such a way that you earn only on the promotion of Amazon products, just promoting headphones, for example, TV sets, vacuum cleaners from Amazon, and receive affiliate payments for your job, for your work. However, you can also make money from other affiliate programs, and many bloggers do it in such a way as to earn not on the only one affiliate program, but on several different programs. However, always read the rules of using a particular affiliate program and all the terms of cooperation. As for Amazon, they sell physical goods, and therefore, if your own business is related to promotion of physical goods, then it's better to find some similar service and become an affiliate partner as well. You can also try uh, to promote Bluehost. So here, Bluehost, because it is a very well paying affiliate program, and they pay not, for example, $20 or $50 when you start promoting Amazon affiliate programs, for example, headphones, but this website, this web hosting company pays you much more when you start promoting their web hosting. You'll get $65 for each qualified sign up, a referral, and of course, when you start making more money with this affiliate program, you will start getting $130 for each person that you refer to this web hosting company. You can also promote some WordPress themes from this affiliate program, themeforest.net. Let's go to this inverter market. Maybe you have already heard about this service, and you can just start earning money with this affiliate program. Okay, we need to find how it works. Become an affiliate, yes, and refer new users to invalid market sites, and okay, we need to go to referral page, as you see here. So we click here, okay, and who are we looking for? Of course, if you have a good audience on YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, and more, and this audience is ready to buy affiliate products from you, affiliate maybe physical products, services, then you can just promote Theme Forest products to this audience. If you have some Facebook, Instagram accounts, and you have so many people there, you can also start promoting your products to them. You have also a blog, and we have already talked about how to create a blog, and you can also use this opportunity to make money from your blog, because we have already blog on our website, on our landing page. There is a commission rate. You can just earn up to $120 for eligible annual subscribers and $260 for eligible monthly subscribers. There is a payout example So you can just join program and start making money with this Invat.com affiliate program. So I also wanted to tell you about Google Analytics, or another plugin that you need to be installed on your website. It will help you to track how many visitors you have on your website daily, monthly, yearly, or hourly, and you can just type in here Google Analytics, because you need this Google Analytics on your website, and I will show you later how mm, to find other traffic services where you can also use those plugins from them. Yes, but of course we need, for example, this Monster Insights is a very good best free Google Analytics plugin for WordPress. So you will see how visitors act on your website, which pages they are looking for on your website, and so you can grow your business just analyzing some statistics. Just so let's click for more details, and we will see what we have here. So with over 3 million active installs, Monster Insights is the most popular Google Analytics plugin for WordPress, and you can install this plugin and set it up and see how it works. Yes, because there is a great analytics overview inside your WordPress dashboard, inside your admin panel, and you can see all analytics at hand. Yes, you can also install statcounter.com. There is also a very popular plugin, and there is also a website, statcounter.com, and you can also install this plugin. It's very easy to use, and it's you can if you're a beginner, you can install it in 2 minutes, and you can set it up in 2 minutes, I swear. Yes, so just use these two plugins, but don't use both of them. Just select one plugin, because you need to have the only plugin that will track traffic, track visitors that visit your website. So I give you the task to cope with this task yourself, because when you yourself begin to learn and practice how to create an online business, then you will start to succeed. So believe me, it really is. Therefore, try to figure out how this plugin works. For example, this stat counter, or you can choose another one on your own, and then write to me in the comments to the video if you manage to do that, if you manage to understand how this plugin works. I would be interested to know this. So, and we go further. The next step is to create a mobile-friendly website. When the site is ready, your task is also to check that it's displayed correctly on a smartphone, that is, it will be mobile friendly. So let's check again how to make it display correctly on the tablet as well. But first of all, we need to click edit page to load a UX builder. And so here on your right, you have here mobile, tablet, desktop. So we can click here mobile, and if you are satisfied with the image, with the landing page that you see on your screen, so it is quite well, you can just leave it as it is. But when you are not satisfied, you can just adjust. You can just click banner, make it maybe this way, or you can just make it this way. So I like it like this, because people can see premium audio, active noise cancellation, Infinity Power System, dual audio streams, or you can just make it like this, Steel Series. Of course, I should have done it in the other way, because I didn't think for the first time how it looks like in the mobile version. But again, just take your smartphone or any other maybe iPhone, I don't know, Android phone, and just check it in your with your phone how it looks like. Yes, just type in this website in your iPhone and see how it looks like. We can also adjust it here a little bit, for example, as this one. Yes, and we can click apply, update, and then we will have the website so updated. Again, if you are not satisfied with your website as it looks in the mobile version, just try to customize it a little bit. Just try to edit some sections until you are completely satisfied with your website. And of course, you can just click on tablet to see how it looks like in tablet. I don't know why there is no banner here, because maybe I should update my Chrome version, this web browser, to see it in the tablet. And if you don't see it, just try to add this banner here and just scroll down a bit to see if it looks like correctly. But again, I should admit that not so many people use tablets to so many people use tablets to go to YouTube. It's a fact. You can just find this information online, and maybe 10% use tablets to buy something on Amazon, etc. You can just find these statistics. Yes, many people use mobile phones, and some people use desktop. But again, just try to make it mobile friendly. It's very important because, as I said, many people use smartphones, so make it mobile friendly. And some people use desktop version, so make it also desktop version friendly, let's say. So, and when you are completely satisfied with your website, you can just launch it on the web to start getting traffic to the website. And the last step is site health check before launch. Before we tell ourselves that we have already created the site, try again to check if you have installed all the plugins and if everything works as you need, if all the pages work correctly, etc. So let's try again to check how our site looks and where if everything works as we like. So just go to your admin panel, to your dashboard, and see if we have all posts written for our blog. Maybe you have already written 5 articles just for the start. Yes, because I would recommend writing some articles before you launch your website, because when you have some articles on your website, you start getting some traffic from Google. It's very great. And if you have pages, yes, all pages that are okay. For example, just try to find out if all the pages, privacy policy, refund policy, all the pages you need on your website are there. And of course, just try to see if you have installed plugins, yes, that you need for your job, for your online business, and all these plugins are there. Just try, for example, log and log down is a very important plugins. Backup WordPress for me is a very important plugin, so you can also add these plugins to your website. Just see, okay, if you can just make backups on your website, and yes, and you can make settings here right now. Just make website backups each day. I would recommend make them each day, because when your site crashes down and you didn't make any backup, then you can lose your website. So again, if you want to make your website step by step, I created an article on my businesscope.com website, how to create your first affiliate marketing website. And you can scroll down and read everything about how to choose a domain, the web host, and so we talked about it in our video, how to install a new WordPress theme. And this is very easy. So don't don't be shy. Just go to my blog, yes, and if you need some information, you can see it on my blog, because I tried to talk about it in my video. Yes, and if you need some information, you can go to blog and find this all in my article, in my step-by-step article. So we get to the conclusion, and I try to explain how to create a simple online business very quickly and with high quality, but at the same time it can be very profitable since Amazon and other companies are developing very actively. Yes, and there is still no stop to this development because you can just go to Amazon and see this is number two after Google. Yes, number two top website in the world. And it's important to simply realize that you are giving yourself some time to build this online business and then some time to smoothly develop and grow with. The topic of doing reviews on Amazon products is quite popular, and you should succeed here with the right preparation. The main thing is to understand which products to review, follow the news, and then write about new products in your articles. And we are coming to the very end of this video, and I will be glad if you like this video and also become a subscriber of my YouTube channel. Also, if you have any questions, then write your comments under this video. I will also try to release new videos on blog monetization as well as creating new niche websites soon. And you can always also find a lot of interesting information on my YouTube channel and other topics related to online business. So thanks for watching this video. I hope I did a great job, and of course if you have any questions, just try to comment under this video and I will consider each comment you leave under this video. So I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.